The Port Authority of Jamaica, PAJ, is pushing ahead with the automation of processes at the wharves to ensure a better experience. With that and more, we join Dashan Hendricks for the Business Review.
Ultimately, what we want to do is to improve the movement of cargo within Jamaica.
Dwayne Powell is the director of the Port Community Systems at the Port Authority of Jamaica. He's been in charge of the $8 million five-year project which started in 2016 to transform the process of clearing cargo from being paper-based to electronic.
We've started with transshipment that has been implemented now successfully, and now we're at the point where we're implementing the import component of the project.
The project aims to give 24-hour access to users. So far, he said, they have managed to cut the time to turn around the cargo for transshipment from up to 2 hours to just 5 minutes. That's dealing effectively with 90% of goods which land at Jamaica's ports.
Although 10% of all cargo that comes to Jamaica is really only for import, it's the most complex component of it. Commercial component in terms of cargo, and also LCL, which is non-commercial, that affects the man in the streets, barrels, boxes, etc.
He said starting with transshipment was a no-brainer because it's easier to move full cargoes on the cars, but those clearing boxes and barrels will not be left out.
We expect to move to LCL by September, October of this year. What we're trying to do is to start the process so that we try to beat the Christmas rush, which starts usually between October and November. And so most of the times, you know that there's a very large spike in terms of both cargo and in terms of the number of persons who actually have to go to the port to clear cargo. And so what we're trying to do is to work with the industry to try to implement some of these processes so that, as you said, the man in the street spends less time getting his imports.
The company the Port Authority is working with is Sogei, a French-based entity. It has been implementing similar systems in 8 countries. For Mr. Powell, this latest move will help to push Jamaica into the realms of a major logistics economy.
If you look globally at any country that is doing logistics very well, Spain, France, Germany, etc., all of them have implemented port community systems, and they have mature port community systems. We started in earnest this project in 2016, but the Shipping Association has been championing this cause for probably 20 years now.
The system as implemented is built with feedback from those who use it. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.